help me play the magic flute? Great! Hold your flute up next to your mouth like me. Now,
the National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Webb County in south-central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles west of Las Tindas, or 32 miles west of Encino, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Las Tindas and Columbia Bridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.